Benefits of green tea. How to make green tea the right way. Green tea is often described as bitter or swampy. Many people will turn away from drinking green tea, but we have some good news for you. Green tea should not taste bitter, and if made the right way, it will have a pleasant, sweet aftertaste. We're here to boost that cup of green tea for you so that it is no longer hiding at the back of the cupboard. Let's dive right in, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. If your cup of green tea has a bitter taste, then this is for you. Green tea should not have a bad bitter taste, and two of the biggest reasons for this is by not using the correct water and brewing temperature. Green tea should taste grassy, nutty, vegetal, or herbaceous. Using tap water or distilled water do not develop tea flavors well, and the chemicals in tap water can disturb the chemical compounds in green tea, creating a sour or bitter taste. For the best cup of green tea, always use pure, filtered water. If green tea is brewed at a very high temperature, it will turn the tea sour because the polyphenols are released too quickly. Be careful not to let the tea steep for too long, as this overcooks the tea and therefore turns it bitter. So, what is the science? Brew your next cup of green tea between 160 and 180 degrees Fahrenheit and only allow the tea to steep for no longer than 1 to 3 minutes. The flavor of green tea also depends on the type of green tea you choose. The most popular and the best green tea for taste is Japanese matcha. The matcha tea offers a rich, creamy texture, and many add steam or frothed milk to this type of green tea to boost the taste and texture a little more. Matcha is the powder form of Tencha green tea, and ceremonial grade matcha powder offers a pleasant vegetal and slightly sweet taste. Matcha green tea may offer a better taste compared to that of loose green tea, but it is also healthier as it offers more antioxidants in comparison to the loose leaf counterpart. 1 cup of matcha, 237 milliliters, is the equivalent of 3 cups of regular green tea because it is more concentrated in antioxidants. Just make sure that you do not drink more than 2 cups or 474 milliliters per day of matcha, as it contains caffeine and other smaller contaminants such as fluoride and heavy metals from the soil in which the plant was grown. The best choice to eliminate these contaminants is to choose organic matcha that was not exposed to pesticides. Here are some of the health benefits and why you should consider incorporating green tea to your daily diet. 1. Weight loss. This natural beverage contains catechins and antioxidants as well as the previously mentioned antioxidants. These active ingredients help those trying to lose weight together with the phytonutrients present in green tea. A 2009 meta-analysis of studies found that drinking catechin green tea significantly reduced body weight. In addition, the study also found that those individuals who drank green tea were more likely to maintain their weight after losing the pounds. 2. Improved immunity. If you're hoping to boost your immunity, then drinking a cup of green tea more frequently will help keep you healthy. In a randomized controlled trial, 32% fewer individuals that consume green tea develop cold or flu symptoms. Green tea contains vitamin C, which is a natural immune booster for the body. In addition to being rich in vitamin C, polyphenols are believed to give green tea some of its immune-boosting properties. It has shown that catechin may help kill influenza viruses. 3. Anti-aging. Beauty experts are including green tea extracts in body moisturizers because green tea offers anti-inflammatory properties and improves skin elasticity. Prolonged exposure to the sun causes photoaging as a result of the sun's harmful UV rays. EGCG in green tea helps protect the skin from UVB rays and inhibits UVB-induced protein oxidation. What does all of this mean? It means that green tea is great for anti-aging. Drinking green tea and applying the extracts topically exposes the skin to EGCG and helps fight DNA damage from UV rays, promotes DNA skin repair, and in turn prevents skin cancer and signs of aging. 4. Longer lifespan. Now that we know that green tea offers anti-aging properties, you will surely want to live a little longer, right? A large study conducted by the Department of Public Health and Forensic Medicine in Japan followed participants for 11 years. The individuals consumed 3 to 4 cups of green tea daily, and the results were intriguing. Male participants had a lowered risk of mortality by 5% and females by 18%. 5. Natural stimulant for the brain and body. Green tea is a natural source of caffeine. This means that you can replace your cup of coffee with this natural beverage instead. Green tea does not contain as much caffeine as coffee, but it does do the trick as a natural pick-me-up to get you through the day. Green tea offers more than just the benefit of staying alert, but the naturally occurring caffeine acts as a stimulant for boosting brain function too. Continuous research has proven that caffeine helps brain functioning and improves mood, reaction time, and memory. 6. Lowered risk of cancer. Extensive research has shown that oxidative damage can lead to chronic inflammation and cancer. The best natural fighting compounds against inflammation and oxidative damage by free radicals are antioxidants, and green tea is full of them. Studies have linked green tea compounds to a lowered risk of cancer, especially breast cancer, prostate cancer, and colorectal cancer. Epigallocatechin gallate in particular has been shown to reduce the growth of prostate and breast tumors. 7. No more bad breath. Studies have suggested that catechins in green tea are able to suppress the growth of bacteria. This can potentially decrease the risk of infections, especially in the mouth. Catechins have been shown to inhibit the growth of oral bacteria, including the common mouth bacterium. This ability means that green tea can help prevent tooth decay and bad breath, since oral bacteria is the root cause behind these conditions. Green tea has a wide range of natural health benefits that are great for both the body and mind when consumed regularly. Make green tea a part of your daily life, and you may just live a little longer and look a little younger too. If you found the information helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And for more tips like these, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.